I know this is a channel about helping guys get women, get abundance, but realistically, these following red flags are going to apply to both genders. If you're dating a girl and she's giving away some of these red flags, probably not a good sign. If you're dating a guy and he's giving away some of these red flags, probably not gonna end well. Make sure you stay till the end of the video because I'm gonna go in chronological order from mild red flags to really the worst of the worst red flags. So let's hop right into it. The first one I'm gonna say is a lack of 50-50 interest. We can go very deep into the subject. I truly do believe that men should be the ones doing the chasing and the investing in the beginning of the relationship. After you guys sleep together a few times, you've been dating for a few months, I really do feel like the girl should also be carrying her weight, investing things, maybe making some plans, trying to get to see you more, not just her waiting for you over and over and over. Also, this is for everyone. If you never see the person you're dating on Friday and Saturdays, not pretty often, chances are they're probably for the streets. They're either out of the bar, at the club, on other dates, or prioritizing someone else over you. So really take that into account. Another big one is keeping in touch with their exes. I know some people say that they can be friends and they just want to keep it platonic with their ex, but I don't ever see the advantage to keeping your ex in your life.
I'm talking about your ex, Ivan.
If anything, it's just gonna make it harder for both of you guys to move on. You're always gonna look back and kind of be like, well, what could have been? Maybe she changed, maybe he changed. This is definitely a red flag and you should not be friends with your exes. Boys, if you're truly serious about investing in yourself, in your dating life, you want true abundance with women, book a free 30-minute call in the pinned comments below and me and Jesse are gonna get you sorted. Another one guys commonly overlook is when a girl's actions don't match her words. She's like, I like you so much, but she's never making effort to see you. I don't like to go out, I don't drink a lot, but she's always at the club drinking. If her actions don't match her words, I'm telling you, you're in for a world of hurt. Now, this goes the same thing for the men. If anyone says something, it doesn't matter the words they're actually saying, it matters the actions that they're actually doing. Look at the actions, not the words. Okay, now we're getting into some fun ones, boys. This is a bad one. She's shady with her phone. Maybe you guys are in the car and she's never letting you touch her phone to put music on. Maybe it's in her car. Or maybe she always keeps her phone face down when you're around. Maybe all the time her notifications are silenced when you're around. There could be so many different reasons, but I'd be willing to bet she's probably talking to another man. Or maybe she doesn't want you to see her Hinge notifications, or her Bumble notifications, or her Instagram DMs coming on the phone. Now, this is especially true if you're like walking by her and maybe she's texting something and then she turns away. You could best believe something shady is going on in that phone. Something she doesn't want you to know about. Guys overlook this all the time, but you'd be shocked how many women will tell you, yeah, I've cheated on my ex in the past. Yeah, I used to cheat all the time, but I'm a changed person now. Let's be real here, boys. Even though some people, a very small percentage of people, are capable of changing, it's most likely not the case. I know, it's not the best person to judge someone on the mistakes they've made in the past, but in reality, the best predictor of future performance is past performance. Let's say you were to hire someone for a job and all their past employers said, he was always late, he was always late, he was always late. Are you gonna expect that person to be on time? No. So it's okay to look at a person's past and decide whether those mistakes they made is something that you're willing to put up with. The grand finale. This one is gigantic. This one truly matters, and I've noticed this one coming up a lot in today's dating marketplace, and that's thirst trapping on IG, especially when women aren't making money off their Instagram. Why are they looking for social media validation? If all she posts are bikini pics, pictures of herself, and nothing about the things she does or her lifestyle or her interests, this is probably a huge red flag. Another way this can manifest itself in a bad way in a relationship, you guys get into an argument and instead of forgiving you and talking about it, she kind of goes silent and gets social media validation from random guys in her DMs, or she posts a picture to feel better about herself. This is why this is so detrimental to so many relationships today. And let's be real here, I don't know many guys who thirst trap on Instagram, but if you do, congratulations. You're one of the very few who can make it happen. Boys, if you liked the video, hit the subscribe button. Guys, if you're not part of our free Discord, there's almost 400 guys in there. We're all helping each other level up and it's totally free. I'll see you boys soon.